Hi guys, how can you create this glass condensation effect in Photoshop? First, select your background layer and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy. Next, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius to around 45.6 pixels. Then press OK. Now go to Filter Gallery Distort Glass. Use the following settings: Distortion 20 and Smoothness 1. Texture, Frosted and Scaling, 158. You can adjust the distortion and scaling values depending on how strong you want the glass effect to appear. Press OK to apply the effect. Next, add a layer mask to the blurred layer. Select the brush tool and use a soft round brush with a size of around 60 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is black. Paint on the mask to remove the glass effect from areas where you want more detail and focus. If you remove too much of the effect, simply switch the foreground color to white and paint back over the mask to restore it. Continue refining the mask until you achieve a natural-looking glass condensation effect. And that's it. Before original image. After a realistic frosted glass or condensation effect that adds depth and atmosphere to your photo. That's how you can quickly create a beautiful glass condensation effect in Photoshop.